What's up, y'all? Early morning, watering my babies, and I noticed a bird near my roses, and it just started squawking like crazy. It started dive bombing me just a little bit, only twice, but I think I have a bird's nest close by to where my roses are. Matter of fact, I think that's him over there with something in his mouth. So yeah, he's been real active around where my roses are. Here's another picture of him on the gate. That's where my roses are. He's been going back and forth in this tree. So yeah, he's guarding something.